To install the add-on, go to the preferences, click install, and I select the add-on. Check it over here, and now it is installed. Let's make a cube. Let's say we want to align the origin or the pivot point to this corner. Let's rotate this corner, and okay, now I want to align the pivot point to this corner. So I'm going to go to the edge mode, select one edge first and select other edge after that. And when I right click, I see this align pivot point add-on over here. So as soon as it's checked, you can see that x-axis is aligned to the first edge that I selected, and then another axis will be aligned to the second edge. So if I want to align the y-axis to the first edge, I can click Y or Z. I can flip the direction from outside to inside, and I can rotate it around this z-axis around it. So you can choose whatever configuration of the alignment suits you best. Flip vertex is not available in double edge mode, double edge selection mode. Let's select only one edge, and I can now have this flip vertex. It aligns either this one or this one, but you can see in the single edge selection mode only one axis is aligned. The other axes are not aligned to any other edge. Thank you.